Hi everyone, my name is Maddie and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below. So today I have another Loungefly unboxing. My Loungefly has finally arrived. I originally ordered 3 Loungeflies, but I canceled one of my orders, and I just ended up getting 2. And the reason why is because the other one was a Disney Villains print, but I realized having the Disney Villains print plus this one, which is also Disney, I felt like I didn't need 2 Disney mini backpacks. That's just me. Maybe in the future I'll get that other one, but as of right now, I'm just good with 2. This next one, depending on how much I like it, I might just leave it as a collector's piece, meaning that I will not take the tags off. I'll leave everything on, and I will just put it on display to admire it. But we'll just have to see. I recently purchased some dust bags. I'll put an image right here of what I got, but I absolutely love them, mainly because I don't really know how I'm going to store my Loungeflies yet. I know a lot of people have a ton of wall space and they hang them. I know some people have display cases, and I do plan on getting a display case, but that's going to be further down the line. Right now I don't have one, so I just went on Amazon and I bought a bunch of dust bags. The ones I got come in a pack of 10, and there's a clear part on the bottom so you can see what your bag looks like. But yeah, I'm really excited for those, and that's how I'm going to store mine for now. But let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. So this print was a pre-order for, I think, November, but it just barely arrived, and I didn't recently order Loungefly until recently. I also did order the matching wallet, but it has not arrived. I know because of, worker shortage and also stuff with the freights in the Pacific. Orders are taking a lot longer to arrive, but hopefully I can get that wallet soon. And if you want me to do an unboxing of that wallet, please comment below and I can do a video on that. I've never bought a Loungefly wallet, but I'm curious to see how I like it. I also ordered another one. It was a cupcake one from this previous pre-order. It was like Disney with a bunch of like cakes on it. I'll put a picture right here of what I ordered, but that wallet is also yet to come in, so maybe I can do like a wallet preview or something like that when both of my wallets show up. But no, I'm really excited. So I just cut open the box, but this is what the inside looks like. I ordered it from March Ventures. I'll link all of my affiliate codes below and stuff, but I love the packaging. I like how they kind of hit it. I'm super excited. It's so... okay. You can't really see it, but you can tell right there it's Pocahontas print. So this bag reminds me of my childhood. Growing up in Utah, there weren't a lot of kids where I lived that were East Indian or that of color. So her story of Pocahontas really spoke out to me. She is still my favorite princess. I don't have a picture, but when I was like in 1st or 2nd grade, I had a Pocahontas backpack, and it was yellow, and it had Pocahontas in the boat with Miko and Flit, and it just brings back memories, and it was yellow. I had the matching lunchbox, and I'm so bummed out I don't have a picture of it, but this bag just reminds me of my childhood, and that's why I really wanted it. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay. Look at this. So, like I said, in my childhood, I did have the same picture but the whole bag was this gold color or this yellow color, and it just brings back memories. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm 7 years old again. Oh my gosh, you guys, my feels right now. I'm about to lose it. Okay, so here's the front. You got her Miko flit, you got the birds, you got a rainbow, all these trees. Look, I love the water. The water is textured. Wow. So if you can tell, I don't know if you can tell, but all of this is textured. It's quilted in. Same with the birds right here. So this has bottle pockets. I'm very surprised. My Pokemon one did not have bottle pockets. Same with this side. If you see on the back here, you have John Smith's compass, and it says just around the rubber band. Oh my gosh, you guys. I feel like I'm gonna cry. This is my childhood right here. This is little me. And I mean little, because I was short. I'm still short. I'm 4'10". But oh my gosh. Okay, so you got this slip pocket, and if you look, you got that beautiful pattern, and you got flit in there with all of the autumn color leaves. Guys, this is okay. I know I said my Pokemon bag was my favorite Loungefly, but I think this one just topped it. Like, I just love it. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me take out the packaging. And they pack this full. So, like I do with all my bags, I like to leave in the stuffing when I store it, so then it keeps its shape. Okay, so I took out all of the packaging. Okay, so this is the lining. Look at how gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to get it in the frame. I am so sorry. Look at that. So you got flit, and you got all of the leaves, and little compass or star detailing. If you look at the back, there's a slip pocket. It's not a zipper. So keep that in mind if you want to get this one. It's a slip pocket. It's not a zippered one like it normally is. I love the structure. It holds its shape really well. The zippers are gold hardware. As you can see, it's all gold. I really am enjoying this bag. I'm just beaming. I absolutely love it. Yeah, I think this is definitely going to be a collector's piece. I don't plan on taking any of these off or the tag. I did buy some Velcro straps from Amazon as well. I'll link them down below for my Pokemon bag. And if I buy more Loungeflies, like the Slytherin Malfoy one I was talking about, if I do end up buying more, I know I will wear them. So to help protect the straps, I bought some Velcro attachers like this, so then it keeps its shape. Now, let's talk about this. See here how there's a bit of fabric? I noticed there was fabric sticking out of my Pokemon bag as well. I think I will just snip those off with embroideries scissors, but I am a little bit upset because Loungefly, even though I said I cannot compare it to a Louis Vuitton or a contemporary designer bag, you're still paying $75 to like $90 for each bag. You know what? I feel like little details like fabric or stitching coming out, they can easily fix that. I feel like there's no excuse for Loungefly to have little issues like that. I don't know, maybe it's me just being a purse diva, but for me, if I'm gonna pay, you know, $75 to $90 for a bag, I want everything to look good. I shouldn't have to do extra work, get out my scissors to snip this off. You know, I feel like production wise, they should look through every single bag and inspect it to make sure it's top quality. That's enough of me complaining, but I just had to say that. But overall, I'm very happy with my purchase. I'm very excited. I am curious to see what the wallet's gonna look like, if it will be textured like this one is or if it's not. But no, overall I'm very excited with my Loungefly. I think this brings back childhood memories for me, and I am very happy with my purchase. This is absolutely stunning. What do you think about it? Send me a comment down below in the comment section about what you think about this bag. I am going to keep it. It will be a collector's item, but who knows, if I go to Disneyland and I don't have a Disney bag by the time I go, I might just bring this out with me. But I don't know. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. Short unboxing. It's not as long as my last Loungefly video. But yeah, if you want more Loungefly videos, subscribe to my channel, comment below, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.